Hello, this is a gear review video. I'm often asked, what camera do you use for your caving videos? I have a number of cameras, but the most important thing to get right if you're thinking of making underground videos is the lighting. I'm always on the lookout for new products, and my eye was caught by this Fenix LR40R 12,000 lumen searching flashlight. It's powered by a battery pack consisting of 4 18650 cells with an impressive capacity of 12,000 mAh. Charging is via a USB-C fast charging port. There is also a standard USB output port, so any spare capacity in the battery pack can be used to charge other mobile devices. It has a 4 LED battery status indicator. Switching on and off and mode switching requires a half-second press on the relevant button. The flashlight can be locked to prevent it being turned on accidentally. To lock and unlock, simply press both buttons simultaneously for 3 seconds. Well, that covers the claims, but how will it perform underground? There's only one way to find out.
Hello YouTubers, Keith here. Been using some Fenix FD65 focusable torches for my videos the last year or so with excellent results. 3,800 lumens, not bad at all, but I got seduced by this, which is the Fenix LR40R flood flashlight, and I was seduced by the fact that this one is advertised at 12,000 lumens, and I wondered if a torch like this would provide good video lighting for a chamber like this, which is big chamber near the entrance in Ogof-Funumby. So here we have a group of cavers with their ordinary caving lamps sitting in the middle of the chamber, and now we'll see what it looks like if we light up the shot with an FD65 at 3,800 lumens. And I'm quite impressed with that. I think that that's lighting up the scene quite well. Another light at the back, and we would get quite a bit of depth of field there, but you can see the light is now focused, and lots of different lighting effects available with the FD65. But what we're really here to see is the LR40R at 12,000 lumens, and here we go. And for the first time ever, I think I'm going to have to turn the ISO down on the camera, because that is a pretty impressive amount of fairly fine floodlighting for the chamber. I'm sure you'll agree. The LR40R has 5 floodlight settings. Here's the lowest setting, next one up, 3rd power level, 4th power level, and here's the full floodlighting. That's actually 11,000 lumens, and if you put the spot on, you get an extra 1,000 lumen spot in the middle, as you can see.
Here are a few more shots we took on the day using both the FD65s and the LR40R. I'm sure you will all agree that the LR40R is a seriously impressive piece of kit, and it's certainly going to be used a great deal in my future caving videos.